African-American military men, known as Buffalo Soldiers, played a significant role in the story of the American frontier and United States Western expansion. These men filled the ranks of two black regiments, the 9th and 10th Cavalries. Black soldiers forming the 24th and 25th Infantries were also sometimes called Buffalo Soldiers. The black cavalry and infantry regiments were authorized by an 1866 law, which required them to be under the leadership of white officers. The regiments were based primarily on the frontier in the states and territories of the Plains and the Southwest. The regiment's main objectives were to protect travel routes and to control American Indian populations. In 30 years of service on the frontier, Buffalo Soldiers were involved in almost 200 major and minor engagements. The Buffalo Soldiers exhibited great courage and discipline, and their regiments had the lowest percentage of desertion and court-martial among the U.S. Army. The men of these regiments received their Buffalo Soldier nickname from the Plains Indians. There are many theories about its meaning, but it is generally believed to have been a sign of respect, as Native Americans revered the buffalo, and the Buffalo Soldiers had proven themselves to be worthy opponents. Buffalo Soldiers also played a strong role in another fixture of the frontier, the National Park System. Buffalo Soldiers served as some of the first park rangers in the western United States. At the end of the 1800s and beginning of the 1900s, the U.S. Army was the official administrator of national parks such as Yosemite and Sequoia. About 500 Buffalo Soldiers were stationed in these two parks during this time. They brought law and order to the wilderness lands, protecting the park's animals and trees from thieves and forest fires. Throughout their tenure, Buffalo Soldiers also participated in the Spanish-American War, the Philippine-American War, and the 1916 Army expedition to capture Mexican revolutionary Pancho Villa.